Many fans ask, how to choose a mobile phone if you want to use it for several years. Let's have a plate together today. At least these conditions must be met. Top-notch processor, big memory. It must be a large factory system to be continuously updated. Convenient after-sales service. Finally, there can be no obvious disadvantages. It just so happens that the newly released 16GB large memory OnePlus Ace Pro in my hand seems to be a good fit to take a look at. The processor is Snapdragon 8, so far better. The measured average frame rate of 60 Hz high voltage mode for 30 minutes is 59.3. The highest temperature is 43.7 degrees. Power consumption 14%. There is heat but not hot. The cooling system of Ice Vein Snow Mountain is really good. 3 years no problem. Memory 12GB starts. There is also a 16GB version. The background application does not get stuck even after 3 consecutive rounds. 150-watt fast charge plus 4800 mAh. The large battery combination charges 23% in 2 minutes without leaking after 3 years. The system is ColorOS 12 and can be updated to 13 soon. I heard it smells more like Hydrogen OS. Updates are guaranteed. Then after returning to Oppo, more convenient after-sales service offline. Look at the stand, the first Snapdragon 8 Plus model. Gave 1. The future will definitely be more and more important. Of course, there are no obvious disadvantages. The camera is a triple-camera flagship configuration led by the A766. It's no problem to shoot big movies at will. In general, OnePlus Ace Pro is a fully balanced bucket machine with high performance and large memory. May become the next nail household mobile phone. How many years do you think you can fight?